Hi, my name's Andrew Shovlin, but everyone calls me Shov, and I'm the Trackside Engineering Director for the team. I run the Trackside Engineering Group, who are just a fantastically talented group of really dedicated and sharp engineers. And also I'm in charge of overseeing the race weekend, so making sure that we get the most out of our car on every given weekend, looking at how we can adapt from track to track, and also involved in the operational side, which I suppose is summarised as scoring as many points as possible on a given race weekend. In terms of performance, my job's got two main areas. One of them is looking at how we're utilising the car and the tyres, trying to get as much performance out of it as possible. And then the other area is working with those involved in development at the factory, feeding back from the race weekend so that they can understand the issues that we need to solve and that we need to improve on the car. So that side of it's really looking at the future development. My daily responsibilities vary greatly depending on whether I'm away at the track or whether I'm here at the factory. So when I'm at the factory, it's very much an office job, running meetings, looking ahead at the races that are coming, running debriefs. When I'm away at the circuit, that's much more about working with the drivers and with the engineers on the detail of the race weekend and ensuring that we roll out a smooth race weekend, that we've got a car that's quick, and that we optimise all the opportunities available to us. The most challenging part of my job is probably straight after a difficult race, perhaps one where we haven't got the car working well, we've not been quick, and you've only got a few days to try and understand those problems, because it is a race against time to try and get to the bottom of the issue and then implement a solution before the next race weekend. My favourite bit about my job, one is I love working in a team. It's a great team of people, and it's so much fun that you can share all these experiences, the highs and the lows of a life on the road in Formula One. And then the other thing that I think I'd struggle to be without is the competition. You're always being driven to get better. The races are the sign of who's doing the best job in Formula One, and that's something that I know that when I stop I'm really going to miss it. I've been at the team since it started with British American Racing in 1998. That was on the same site here in Brackley that now is the Mercedes team. And I started in vehicle dynamics. My job's evolved a lot, but I've spent nearly all of those years travelling with the race team. I've been a performance engineer, a race engineer, chief race engineer, and now run the Trackside Engineering Group. And it's always been fun, it's always been challenging, and I'm lucky to have worked with so many of the people that I work with today for such a long time.